Wahala for teacher wey dey teach wrong English. My people, make una reason dis matter o. How person go dey teach Queen's English but still dey answer Uncle John, Aunty Rose for class? Na who dash you family title inside classroom? For British, dem go say, "Good morning, Mr. John," if na man. Or for Yankee, dem go say, "Good morning, Miss or Mrs. Brown," if na woman. But for Naija, dem go say, "Good morning, Uncle Maths teacher." Even some don carry am enter higher institution. Dem go say, "Good morning, Sir Daniel." Na knighthood we dey do, abi na grammar we dey teach? Because real sir na title wey queen don give person. No be anybody wey carry register and red pen. All dis wahala don confuse small pikin dem. Dem no sabi who be real uncle or who be classroom uncle again. Tomorrow now, for job interview, you go hear, "Good morning, Uncle HR." HR go just mark candidate cultural but confused. Abeg, make we dey teach correct thing. Respect no mean say we go baptize English with local bitter kola. Use your Mr, Miss, Mrs or Doctor well. No be pride, na professionalism. Because if Uncle English teacher and Sir by force no change pattern, one day children go write, "My uncle is my teacher and my teacher is my uncle." And examiner go just mark Wahala 101. Failed with laughter. My people, I salute all of una. Remember to share, make this message go round. Una do